Alright you guys, thank you guys so very much for joining me today. This is Skincare and Beauty with PerkiPerkins. Thank you for joining me today. As you can tell from my title, I'm going to be doing an unboxing of for the BeautyBio contest that I won for the month of September. I literally found out on Tuesday morning that I was one of 3 lucky winners, and by Wednesday I had my giveaway at my home. I'm beyond thankful, excited. It's mind-blowing. And again, it's mind-blowing. And as I mentioned in my title, I'm going to be going over as well how you can also join the Blush Army and, you know, hopefully be one of the next lucky winners, because you don't need to purchase nothing. You just need to sign up. But anyways, do remember, before we go any further, subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and like the video. Come on, I'm giving you free tips on how to win free stuff. So sit on back and let's get going. So this is my humongous box of goodies. It's so big, I just need to keep it down. It's literally huge. The first thing that was on top is a little card from them, and on the back it has, you know, the BeautyBio, and in the card they wrote, "Hey babe, hope you enjoy a few of our favorite products. Tag us in your next selfie for a chance to be featured on our grid." Whoop whoop. I hope I get featured, so I better look good, you know, if they're gonna feature me. Anyways, so I'm gonna go with the very first item on top, which the very first item was this really nice transparent, kind of like corally pink bag. It's a backpack with suspenders and all, or straps I should say. The little tassels are like a rose gold metal, and they say actually BeautyBio, which is very cute. I love backpacks, just so you guys know, a lot more than a purse, just because I typically pack a lot of things. A lot of packaging to make sure it's nice and secure. So let me get the items out. Oh, disclaimer, I actually won a giveaway in end of May-ish, June, something like that, where BeautyBio was the giveaway. Actually, it was from an Instagram account, and she was giving away a BeautyBio set for so I actually won this already, so I've already tried it before. So I know they work. That's why I've been drooling over them. But anyways, so this is called the Balance. This is a pH balance cleanser, which again, I only need to do like 1 to 2 drops. It's very minimal, and it cleanses my whole face completely. It doesn't leave any extra product. It's not abrasive. It's not harsh. I have semi-sensitive skin, and sometimes, you know, some products are just kind of not the best. But anyways, so this says for the what. This is what I wanted to look for, sorry. So, oh, and all these products are meant for all skin types, so it's not like dry oil combo. Anyone could actually use these products. This says the what. It's designed to gently restore your skin ideal natural pH balance, the important lip layer intact for hydrated, perfectly conditioned skin. Enhances results from key ingredients by prepping the skin for maximum absorption. Removes both eye and face makeup, in which mine did. I had actually waterproof mascara yesterday, and ugh, it was a mess. And also helps restore your skin's youthful bounce and balance. It could be used both in the morning and in the evening, and it doesn't actually have like a, from what I remember, it didn't really have much of a scent. It was more like a, you know, soft citrusy maybe. I can't remember right now, but I don't want to open that yet. Step number 2. Their packaging is stunning too, by the way. It's so chic. So step number 2 is called the Daily. It's an intensive vitamin cocktail serum. Let me show you guys the box. All their packaging is very unison. Okay, so for the what on this one, basically what it's meant for, proprietary combination of hypervitamins compound to dramatically boost skin's antioxidant levels, helps shield against daily free radical damage, creates a barrier to help lock in key activities, designed to help even the appearance of skin tone, immediately penetrates skin, driving down to both superficial and deep layers, designed to work both independently or layered under treatment cream. So basically just saying you could use it on its own, or you can layer other products like the moisturizers on top of it if you like. It's an airless pump which keeps active ingredients at, oh, that's great. This is best to be used in the morning time as well. Step number 3. Show the box. This is the ultimate. Just kidding. The ultimate is their moisturizer, and again, it could be used in the morning, evening. It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. Oh, and I want to show you guys this. This is one really great thing about BeautyBio. So for their moisturizer, you just pump it once or twice, because you don't need very much product again, and the product comes out from the top. I believe I've only seen Drunk Elephant be the, maybe not the only, but Drunk Elephant also has something similar for their moisturizer, and where you can just again pump it and get your moisturizer from the top. This actually is really good, because in the sense you are not causing any contaminants, bacteria, or nothing to go into your skincare products. One of the biggest reasons why many times our skincare turns or goes bad sooner than later, it's because we touched our creams, our moisturizers, whatever, with our hands, which have a lot of germs and bacteria. And again, this is very sanitary, so that's major right there. For the wood on this product, it's a hypervitamin compound to dramatically boost skin antioxidant, so similar to the serum, designed to help even the appearance of skin tone, enriches hydration, the upper layer of the skin. So it basically helps hydrate your top layer skin, helps restore skin's youthful bounce and glow, designed to work both independently or layered after treatment serum. So again, it can be used on its own or with serums underneath. And again, this is an airless pump as well. So, and then this guy right here, this one makes me so excited. These are the GlowPro skin prep pads. So you ideally use this in the evening and you're prepping your skin. So this would be used after cleansing, by the way, and you're using this to prep your skin before you use your GlowPro. This is the big prize. This is what I've been drooling over for months since I've seen it. It's electric, and I've just seen so many videos of wonderful results. This is Microneedlng, and it's called Microneedlng Regeneration Tool. Like this alone, I would have been happy with just this. Again, I'm so thankful. Here's some pictures of like before and after of people using this product. Usually when you do like, you guys have probably seen my previous video where I had my other little micro needle, which it actually helps regenerate your skin because it causes little minor tears, but it actually helps for absorption, and it helps moisturize, cause circulation. So it does actually a lot of good benefits, especially if you're someone that can't afford to go to a dermatologist or, you know, esthetician to go do your face all the time. You know, it's a great easy way to do it at home. Let's open her up. This is so stunning. So this is the micro needler, and as you can tell, it has a rechargeable cable, so you can actually charge it, and it actually comes with the sanitation, a GlowPro sanitizer. So you just spritz it, so it sanitizes it. My other one, I usually let it sit in alcohol for a bit and then let it dry. Look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous. It has a very nice, soft, kind of like satin, maybe suede handle, chrome detailing. Looks like you could also use batteries if you wish. And it's an automatic, so again, this is electric, so you kind of are able to do better control. What's really nice is BeautyBio, like if I want to, I can actually go and purchase replacements or extenders. They offer different heads, so that you could do smaller ones, or you could get bigger ones to do your body. Like this is great for your legs, cellulite, things like that. So I might be looking into that, or unless I could win one next, that'd be awesome. Again, it comes with the spray for sanitation, and it comes with the charging cable as well. I'm gonna put everything in because I don't want to ruin it. On top right here, it actually has its little instructional guide for me so I don't mess up. And it looks like they actually gave me little samples of let me see. So they gave me a couple of the pad samples. Cool. Ooh, they gave me 5 pad samples. So I got 5 samples of the pad. So that's actually really nice because this only came with 30, so that's great. So there you have it. Now you got to see everything I won. Now for the juicy part is, how did I win this? Like for free. Again, it's not like I had to pay. It's not like I have to join something and pay. It wasn't an Instagram giveaway, nothing like that. So something that's really amazing in my opinion, BeautyBio, again, like I mentioned in the beginning, has this neat thing that they call the Blush Army. And every couple days they send us an email with like different themes and topics that we can do our own personal post. And it's like more empowerment post in my opinion, and you can tag them, like you know, putting a selfie of yourself and saying, you know, even like, even on the, you know, gloomiest days, I feel the glow, for example. And on the bottom, you would do your hashtag, which would be BlushArmy hashtag contest, tag BeautyBio, and you know, they racked up the points. I'm gonna, down below, I actually linked my referral link. It's nothing for commission, just so you guys know. It's just a direct link for them, so you guys can, it's a direct link for BeautyBio BlushArmy, so you can sign up actually. This way you guys can join the fun. It's very self-explanatory. You guys get points actually for doing different activities, following them on social media, watching their videos. They have a YouTube channel too, liking their posts, and again, you would use the hashtags, that way they could link it to your stuff, because you would link all your social medias ideally, and whenever you use the hashtags, they're counting up the points. So I hope you guys join. Again, this is free. You're not wasting any time, you're not paying anything. If anything, you're gonna benefit from it. Like, I never thought I would win, honestly. I never thought I would win. Like, I know I love watching their videos. I like seeing their again, especially I love watching their videos of people using the roller. I drool over them all the time. So, you know, I love following them in general. They're a great company. So it doesn't hurt to sign up. Again, if anything, at one point it will be your turn and you will win. Just keep on liking, commenting, and things of that sort, and you'll become a winner one of those days. Every month, people, they pick 3 to 5 people to win the giveaways. I'm sorry, the contest. And again, no purchase necessary, which is great, because they didn't know that I already had won something from an individual that was BeautyBio. They didn't know that. And it's every month is fresh, so it's great. Now, I know I've been rambling this whole time, but I just realized I forgot one more thing. So I also got the BeautyBio Rose Quartz roller, actually, which is beautiful. It comes with its own little cleanser as well. It's so nice and sturdy. Anyways, so again, I hope you guys liked my video. I hope it was informative for you guys, and I hope you guys sign up. You know, again, I don't know how many times I could tell you guys, sign up. Make sure you guys like my video and comment below if you're gonna sign up or if you have now. Especially if you have, let me know if you guys signed up. So thank you guys so very much. I am so excited to share this news for you guys, and yeah, hopefully we will both be BlushArmy babes, you know, and sporting our BeautyBio. But anyways, so sorry for the cheesing, but thank you guys so very much. I greatly appreciate you guys each and every day. You guys have a wonderful, beautiful evening. Bye-bye.